Get excited about the 2018 Ford Explorer. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, a power liftgate, rear wipers, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.